Hello guys, today I will show you how to get $100 coupons in Banggood.com. So here is the way to get $100 coupons in Banggood.com. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
First of all, go to your browser and search for Banggood.com. And then go to the website. Link in the description. When the website opens, click on this Join option. In this page, add your email, password, and confirm password. And write the verification code. And click Create your account. Now click on Get It. Now go to your Gmail or Yahoo Mail. And click on Verify My Account. Now click on My Coupons. And you can see we have get free $100 coupons. Note, you can use these coupons only for discount. You can only use the coupons on the category written on coupons. Now how to use it. For example, if we want to buy a mobile, go to the ad you want to buy. And click on Add to Cart. Now go to your cart list and and koi the coupon code and write in the coupon box. You can see there is some discount on it. Thanks for watching. Please support my channel for more videos like this. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.